MNMD stock analysis and MNMD stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I have spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, called out thousands of correct predictions on my YouTube channel for free. All of that has been documented, and with MNMD specifically, it's been like a long side since the beginning. Guess what? I still have the proof to back it up. And it was all cut out for free. Like this was out then 20th of January 2025. So pretty much 20 days ago. Not 20, more so like 25. Right, at the time 7:15. And guess what happened? We would go like kind of consolidating here, came down a tad bit and then delivered. And here I was like trying to catch this pullback, which also delivered. But with this in mind right now, we have a new range that we can use. And in this case, I'm still, guess what, looking for more and more longs or just buys. It's not going to be me randomly buying, more so it's still going to be me waiting for that pullback, and then if I see that shift, then buy. If not, everything else is noise. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.